Hello guys, welcome to Magdalena channel. Hiya. Today the video will be a bit different because I'm going to do some unboxing. I bought some item, but it is not laundry set and it's not dress. It's something totally different. We will unboxing and package together, guys. Alright, cheers. Today I'm drinking coffee, so I will show you this beautiful package. It's beautiful pink color. They said it's like a new because they didn't use this camera at all, so we will see. Let's have a look. Let's get started. Okay, right. Nice box. Okay. It looks like that I bought an air fryer. The woo. Look at this air fryer. I will make a movie with this. Interesting. Okay, never mind. Let's have a look what is inside. But as I said, it's a second hand. Okay, so I didn't expect original box. So here we've got it. I just like that. Voila. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's a new camera. Canon US M50. Right. I wrote a lot of positive comments about this camera, so that's why I bought this camera. It was on eBay UK and the price was quite good. It's second hand, but it's like a new. Wow, the box is like a new, guys. Really, wow. Beautiful. Look at this. And later I will show you the laundry set that I make with this camera, this Canon, and with the Panasonic, because I'm making videos now with Panasonic, which is also good, but I will improve my quality of my videos. Okie dokie. I think that's the battery. Okay, so we've got battery, but this person, the seller, he said he didn't use this camera at all, maybe a few times and then not anymore. So yeah, I see the boxes are like a new, you know. Look at this, they are totally not used. Wow. Wow, what we've got here, some cables, of course. And there's the charger for battery. And wow, this camera is nice. Oh, it's quite heavy, you know. Looks good. Looks very good. I don't know yet, so I need to try, of course. I will make some movie in a minute, as I said, and we will just compare this Panasonic versus this Canon. I think this is from 2021. I'm not sure. I think so. And let's have a look what the colors there. straps. Okay. We've got some card. 128 GB. We've got also microphone. Look at this. Wow, cool. So I can do now interviews on the street. Okay, lovely. That's some cables, which belongs to the camera and the microphone. So you can just attach this microphone on the camera, like here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's quite nice. The microphone is very light, and actually it's covered. So I hope you can hear the wind. Sometimes it's very annoying if you hear the wind, you know, if you're going outside and people speaking to you or whatever, and you record a movie and you hear the wind in the background. But I hope it's this case. And we've got something. Okay. Gorilla pot. Cool. What a name. What a name. Got some gorilla pot. Alright, so I can put it on my desk. So alright, it's cool, but really guys, it's just new. I see, it's just new. Amazing. On eBay you can find always such a beautiful items for a relative good price, and some of them they are like a new, really. You can get some diamonds on eBay. So I will make a movie, some shoot with a lingerie set, and you will see the lingerie set in how this looks like on the Canon and how this looks like on the Panasonic. So we will see. Let's get started. And later in the comment, just tell me which one is actually from which camera the quality is better. Okay, so let's get started then. So this is with the previous camera. This is with the Panasonic. I want to show you two lingerie sets to just comparing to the another one. But okay, that's my old camera, Panasonic, and red lingerie set. Okay, now I will show you the white lingerie set on this old camera. And now it's time for the new camera, so you will see those lingerie set on the new camera on this Canon US m50. So let's have a look. If you like my movies, give me the like and I will be very happy, and I see you next time. Bye bye.